Today I'm back in Almindingen again, but this time I decided to take a different route through the forest. Almindingen is such a large area that even after filming here a few times, there are still many roads and paths I have not explored yet. The first thing I noticed today was how green everything has become. The trees are much fuller now, and the sunlight coming through the leaves gives parts of the forest a very bright and almost glowing look. Some sections felt open and peaceful, while others became much more enclosed with trees surrounding the road from every side. I passed a few long gravel roads stretching far into the forest, and those are probably my favorite places to film out here. There is something relaxing about seeing the road continue ahead with nothing around except trees, small plants, and the sounds of nature in the background. At one point I also passed an old brick structure standing beside the road. Places like that always make the forest feel a little more interesting, because they almost look hidden away between the trees. Almindingen has many small details like that if you take the time to notice them. The deeper I went into the forest, the quieter everything became. Most of the sounds came from birds, wind in the leaves, and the movement from the forest itself. Sometimes the roads became darker, where the trees blocked the sunlight, and then suddenly everything opened up again into brighter sections further ahead. I also like how different the forest roads look from each other. Some are wide and smooth, while others feel more natural and less traveled. A few smaller paths disappeared into the woods, and those places almost make it feel like you are far away from the rest of the island for a while. Even though I was in Almindingen again today, it did not feel repetitive to me at all, because the scenery constantly changes depending on where you go. One route can feel open and bright, while another feels deeper, quieter, and more isolated. That is one reason I enjoy filming here so much. Bornholm is known for cliffs, beaches, and harbors, but the forests are also a huge part of the island. Places like Almindingen show a completely different side of Bornholm that many visitors probably never fully experience. I hope you enjoy this quieter drive through another part of Almindingen here on Bornholm. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more places around beautiful Bornholm, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. There is still a lot more to explore, from quiet forests and beaches to small towns, harbors, restaurants, and hidden places all around the island.